So, I'm take out another breadfruit because I'm going to test it if it ripe. Not ripe. Oh, I'm going to take it. Oh, what is wrong with you, girl? I'm going to take a deep breath. It's like I'm too excited. So, let's start at the top. So, my coworker gave me some breadfruit today. I say, you couldn't roast them because I can't roast breadfruit. I'm going to say, why not challenge myself? So let somebody help me. Quick question. How long breadfruit take for roast? I mean, them in here for quite a while now. How that? Yeah. So, I'm going to take out another breadfruit because I'm going to test it if it ripe. Not ripe. Oh, I'm going to take it. Oh, what is wrong with you, girl? I'm going to take a deep breath. It's like I'm too excited. So we're going to check if it roast or bake. So them say if you push a knife down in it, and if the knife come up, so that mean it roast. That mean it roast, right? The knife went all the way down inside of it. So I did my first roast breadfruit as a real country girl. You see me? Alright. So you know in the morning we're gonna simmer down some ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. And this goes out to that person that I told I was going to do a roast breadfruit. And he might laugh after me about you can do roast breadfruit? Well, see ya. It roasts. And nobody not there for help me. Just a girl, a real country girl. Bright.